Alright guys, so we just started. My dad has the first shift. So we have 250 miles, about 4 hours if we don't stop. So we just left. So far, good weather. There's a field of windmills that are all over it. All over on this side. You can't really see it, but we just hit our first detour. I think there's a bad accident. Hopefully everyone's okay, but all lanes are closed. And it said you can't go that way. It said about a 2-hour delay. So we're going around this way. So we're looking for 500 west, probably where everyone else is turning up here. All right, so you can see all the traffic is stopped over there. So that would have been a very long wait in there. It said at least a couple hours. So right now we're just going around it.
Look at the canvas.
Oh, this is where we're going here.
Wow, we've been in that.
So hopefully it wasn't a bad accident, but that's probably what it was.
Wow, look at all them trucks.
It's backed up forever.
Look at that. Oh, man.
So we are in the land of corn. On both sides. It goes on forever. Alright, so here's our next challenge. We just got off from the detour, and now everyone's trying to take a right here, but to get into the left-hand lane, so you can take a left back onto 65, which we're trying to make it to. So no one's in the first two lanes where you can go freely, but everyone's trying to get in this left lane to get back on the highway. So about one car is making it through a light at a time. We just made it through. So hopefully we're not on this road for too long, but I think it's gonna be a while. You can't, it's hard to tell how long this is, but.
Well, I think I can see 65 up there. It's right just past, see the trucks moving up there?
Yeah, kinda.
So, yeah, see, they're moving there.
So we'll see, what time is it right now? 12:54?
12:54.
We'll see how long it takes just to get from here to like the bridge area up there. That's where we need to get on. So we'll see how long it takes. 12:54. All right, so here we go. 102. We're getting back on to 65.
There you go, get one like that.
Yeah, that's a nice little van. All right.
Man.
There goes the detour. Now we should be in good shape from here on out. Wow, look at that rain. So we just got our map. We just paid to enter, but we do have reservations for our campsite. It just started raining. It's crazy. It came out of nowhere. It was really coming down pretty good. It shouldn't last very long though. Alright guys, so we are at Brown County State Park. It is huge. We've been driving for a little while now. We're looking for the next entrance to kind of check into our campsite. The rain is still coming down pretty good. There's supposed to be some pretty nice trails in this park. We are in the state of Indiana. It's about a 4.5-hour drive with some we had some traffic jams and some accidents. It goes on forever, man. By the time we get there, the rain should stop.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. There's some nice little picnic areas. All right, this should be something.
Mountain bike trail.
Oh, there's a bike trail.
Yeah.
Cool. We did bring our bike, so that's something we can try.
I see blue sky over there.
That's a good sign.
Yeah.
Dark skies over here.
That's a bad sign.
That's a bad sign. All right, guys, we made it. It worked out perfectly. It stopped raining just as we came in. So we still have to level it a little bit. We got the chairs out. And then we are next to the CR, which is nice. But this is pretty crazy. We are the only ones in this area right now. So that's not bad at all. It's very quiet out here. So I think for today, we're just gonna set up, get everything out. A lot of trees were down on our way here. I'm not gonna walk all the way up there right now. You can see it broke off from the last storm. All right, so here's our only neighbor. We got a hungry squirrel. He hasn't really left our side. He's been running up and down the tree. Not sure what he's eating right now, but he's waiting for us to leave some food, I think. So we are having my dad's famous chili. I'm about to eat my third bowl.
Yeah.
That's pretty delicious. That's made from scratch.
Deer meat.
Deer meat?
Yeah. Deer hamburger. Yeah.
Deer hamburger. There's 2 different kind of beans. What else in there? Do you want to tell your secret?
No.
I won't tell anybody.
I have to kill you.
What can you tell us?
It's good.
Well, there's some garlic in there, some onion, some tomato, 2 different kind of beans.
Yes.
Sometimes 3 different kind of beans if you have it. And should I just keep guessing?
Yeah, keep guessing.
All right.
Chili powder.
Chili powder. All right. What's the weirdest thing you added in your chili? I suggested pineapple.
Yeah.
I thought that'd be kind of cool.
I never tried pineapple.
Pineapple.
No.
And last time, I forgot where we ate the chili at. It was probably at your house. We had a little bit of mushroom. Remember we added that?
Yeah.
We found it. I think it was the button mushroom.
Yeah.
That was pretty good.
Yeah, that always has a good taste.
Yeah. But you can add pretty much whatever you want in the chili. That's some good tasting chili right there. How long did it take you to make that?
A couple hours.
Really?
Actually, yeah.
And how long do you think it took us to eat it all?
A couple minutes.
Couple minutes. So this is our very first meal, and it was a very good first meal.
This is our only meal.
That was supposed to last us for 4 days. It's gone. We ate all the food in one night. So we got the bikes out. We're just about to go, but we might wait just a moment. The clouds are starting to cover us again, and the wind is kind of starting to pick up. We did hear some thunder over on that side. It actually feels pretty nice right now, nice and cool. I'd rather have the shade like this than the full blast sun. So as long as it doesn't rain, it's pretty nice. But in a moment, we will take a little bike ride if it doesn't start raining. We got some woodpeckers. Pretty good size.
Yeah, that one's hammering away, ain't he?
Jeez, how do they not have a headache all day long?
I hope they don't do that tonight when I'm trying to sleep.
So do I.
Is that them making that noise?
Yeah. Wow. That's pretty cool. There we are. Oh, good. We found our water source. We just finished washing the dishes too, but at least we know for tomorrow night. So look, it's completely empty. We do have a couple trees down. Yeah, it must have been a pretty big one. And it probably just happened.
Maybe that's why there's nobody else back here.
Maybe. So this is the biggest state park in Indiana. I just found that out. So that's why it took so long to get here once we were in the state park, just because how long it was. Man, it was perfect temperature right now. Luckily it didn't rain. Again, it just kind of sprinkled. Then we saw those woodpeckers. They're pretty good size. There's two different kind of species. There's two red ones. I think so. So far we've seen lots of squirrel, woodpeckers, and different kind of birds. But there are some snakes out here too. We saw a sign showing what kind. So I'm gonna try to go look at that. I'm not sure tonight, but maybe tomorrow. Today we're just going to check out a trail we're gonna do tomorrow. Here's some more showers and toilets. We have luckily a toilet right next to our place. There's some road signs. Yeah. Lots of pine trees out here. Yeah, this is a really nice one. All paved. Nice campsite, nice balloons. Another shower area. So we're looking for Trail 9.
What campsite was it next to?
It just said Trail 9.
What, it was next to a campsite.
Oh, I see it right up there. There's a trailhead right up there. I just want to look at the sign. Rattlesnakes and copperheads may be in this area. These snakes will not strike unless threatened. They are protected by law. Use a flashlight after dark. Wear closed-toed shoes. Keep pets leashed. Give snakes distance and respect. All right. But here's trail number 9, the beginning.
We're going to walk back.
Yeah. We rode our bikes here. We didn't know exactly how far away it was. But you can pretty much walk here. If not, we would have to park our bikes just here. It says no bikes on this trail, but there's many bike trails. So we might try that. That's something we never really do much. We hear something in this tree. It's getting louder over here.
Yeah. It's inside the bark.
It is. I think it's right here. It's loud. All right, my dad has spotted a turkey. Oh, is there a bunch of them? Oh, okay, now I see them. Wow, you got a good eye. How'd you see those from back there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. How did the turkey cross the road? Yeah, it does. Imagine if those things were like 10 feet tall. That's funny how they all just walk in a line. That's pretty cool. There they go. So here's dinner tonight. We got some chicken wings and some corn. And we're probably gonna have one hot dog each.
Yeah, more if you want.
That's pretty good. And what's for dinner tomorrow?
Nothing.
We ate everything tonight.
We're eating it all tonight.
We're going for all or nothing. But I heard that maybe some steak or some deer meat is venison.
Yeah.
All right.
There's hamburgers left.
Mm.
And I did find 2 sausages I bought too in there. So,
Oh, cool.
yeah.
All right.
Um,
Nothing like eating some food over the fire. I love the sound of the crackling fire.
did you find a lemonade if you went in there, Eric? Good.
Alright, I think this is it. We're just gonna enjoy the peaceful wilderness. We are the only ones out here in this neck of the state park. So we're pretty happy about that. Pretty peaceful out here. Those woodpeckers are gone, so that's a plus. Hopefully they don't come back at 4 a.m. We did see turkeys though, so you never know what else we're gonna see, yeah. But we're completely alone out here. So we're gonna probably go to sleep early tonight, eat this, then do some hiking tomorrow. Hopefully the weather is not so bad. So you guys have a good night. See you guys later.